Pásítọ̀ E.A. Adeboye ti ìjọ Redeemed Christian Church of God mà ti dá wòlíì Tibetan lóhùn pé àwọn ò bìkítà nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ikú o. ẹ̀ràn ńlá kan mà ló jáde látẹnu bàbá Tibetan èyí tí wọ́n sọ nípa Pásítọ̀ E.A. Adeboye tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́. Welcome to Digi Nigeria. Remember to like, share, follow us. Ẹ já gbọ́ ìran tí wòlíì Tibetan sọ nípa Pastor E.A. Adeboye. Ìran tó lágbára ni, àfi kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́.
There is a casket that was removed from Winner Chapel, but it has even been taken to the Redeem again. Then Adeboye and the wife, they were just looking inside the casket.
Ṣé ń gbọ́ ìran yẹn? Ṣé ń gbọ́ ìran yẹn?
The two of them knelt before the casket. Crying. They brought their caskets.
Ohun tí alàgbà Tibetan sọ nìyẹn o. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ìdáhùn tí Pastor Adeboye tí wọ́n fún bàbá Tibetan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn.
There are some of us here, like I've always told you, when it's time to go, we go to church on Sunday, dance, rejoice.
This is so emotional, I tell you.
Come home, eat pounded yam, and go. No sickness at all.
Ọ̀rọ̀ tí Pastor Adeboye sọ yìí wọ́n sọ nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe last congress tó wáyé ní Redeem Camp. Ibẹ̀ ni bàbá Adeboye ti sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Wòlíì Marcus wá ní àwọn ò máa lè sún nítorí pé Pastor Adeboye ti ṣetán láti lọ nítorí pé Ọlọ́run ti ṣetán láti pè wọ́n sọ́dọ̀ nítorí àwọn rí ìran pósí kan tó kúrò lọ́dọ̀ bàbá Oyedepo tó wá lọ sí ìjọ Redeem. Àfi kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ fọ́nrán yìí kẹ́ ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe ṣàlàyé ẹ̀ dáadáa.
For 1 year, there's going to be pandemonium around the place.
In Redeem?
Yes, because when I look up at what they did there, I saw the picture of Akinayomi sitting with his children, telling them what they are going to do after the demise.
That's the founder of...
Yes, after the demise of Adeboye. How they are going to call a meeting to bring his son back there. They have seen how the whole rubbish thing they are doing. They are not helping the matter. They are not helping the matter. That's what the Lord revealed. The Lord, I cannot sleep overnight. The wife and the Adeboye.
Tí bàbá Adeboye bá lọ wá ṣèkì Nàìjíríà á ṣèkì gbogbo àgbáyé.
They said Oyedepo has prayed. And then Adeboye is not giving Oyedepo good advice. Then they now make it do or die that every pastor should be rich. And then even God has his own program. The church that's supposed not to get to Ekiti, they are spreading the church like hotel. But God is not in all the church in the parishes that they have already planted. God said it's not there. God said it's not there. It's education. Like a whole law that they said they should spread. Agriculture, they said should spread. Their seed, mechanized farming by all these churches. They should release all these people to go.
Wòlíì Tibetan wá ní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wáyé nítorí pé Pastor Adeboye ò ṣe ohun tó tọ́ nínú ìjọ Redeem àti pé inú Ọlọ́run ò dùn sí àwọn nǹkan kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìjọ náà. Tẹ́ bá rántí pé ọ̀rọ̀ ti pa àwọn àgbà olórí ìjọ méjèèjì pọ̀ rí ní ìgbà election tó fi jẹ́ pé Pastor Adeboye ní Ọlọ́run ò tí ì fi president Nàìjíríà hàn pé àtẹnikẹ́ni tó bá dẹ̀ wá jáde tó wá ní president kan ló ó máa win pé prophet of doom ni. Àmọ́ bàbá yìí jáde o wòlíì Marcus Tibetan wọ́n jáde tán wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ sókè pẹ̀lú ìdánilójú pé ẹ gbọ́ Tinubu ló máa jẹ president Nàìjíríà tó sì rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn kí lè ròyìn nípa bí Pastor Adeboye ti ṣe ṣàlàyé fún gbogbo ìjọba yìí ọjọ́ àti sùn wọn bó ṣe máa rí bó Ọlọ́run ṣe fẹ́ pè wọ́n sọ́dọ̀. Kí lè ròyìn nípa ẹ drop comment yín. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.